Today we're going to be bird hunting with this .77 break barrel air rifle, the crossman storm XT. We're going to try and kill a bird. Yeah, let's get on. I spotted some birds out in this field. I'll try and get you on my camera. I'm gonna take a shot. I got him. I hit him. He's still flopping though. Not anymore. No. Bro, I got one. Let's go. Alright. I think we're just going. I'm going to go here. Holy crap. I think we just downed a bird. Now I gotta find him. Which won't be. But there he is. We got us a bird, boys. Killed one bird with the 1.177 caliber thunderstorm XT. We got us one. We're hunting down these invasive birds. They eat the chicken feed and stuff, and it's really just wasting a lot of money whenever you feed these chickens and you're feeding like half of it to these birds. It's really just wasteful on the money and stuff. So I requested myself to take out a few and got one of these invasive birds down. There was a whole flock of them. I really hope y'all seen that on the cam. Let's see what we got. Oh, these birds have already came back. Stoned him. Dead. Baby. Yes. We got us another one of these guys. I don't know for y'all update. We found the bird. It's the second bird we've shot today. Now, y'all might not think this gun can shoot a long way. That's where my gun is. I'm like shooting at like 40 yards, holding dead on these birds, and still killing them. We got our second bird down. We're just gonna try and get some more birds. Hopefully we can get some more. That's 2 birds down. I think I'm gonna head down this way and see if I can find any of them down there. Yeah, I see a bird. Y'all probably don't see me in the cam. Shot cam. I hit him. Wasn't a very good hit, and he flew down here in the creek. I hit him on an overhanging branch. He flew down the creek. I'm gonna hunt for him because I don't know where he is. Oh, I see him. I see him. So I'm shooting. Pal, homie, I just got one. Now, obviously, he's across the creek, which means I can't bring him. I'm gonna try and get y'all. You see him? He's like wedged stuck right there. In between them rocks, right there. See that little thing that looks real wet right there? That's him. We just shot our third bird down. That was an offhanded shot.